There's four main things you have to consider when choosing the right ladder for a job. Can anybody tell me what those are? The material of the ladder, 4 for 4. You should give yourselves a round of applause because I've been doing this for about 3 years, and that's the first time that the first 4 answers were the actual 4 answers that we need.
These guys have heard it 1,000 times. They've known it, they've heard the script, but yet every time we get interaction, they come afterwards. There's guys over there right now still talking to the vendor about what's that new product you're talking about.
There's gonna be a theme today that throughout this presentation is extremely important, and that's inspection. Inspection is always the #1 thing you should do after choosing the right gear for any job.
Everything's changing so quickly. I like to bring in the professionals who can really give us the insight on that. And I just think this is a great opportunity to get some visibility on the issues that me and my team are dealing with on a daily basis, and just allowing the more people to know, the easier it is for everybody. So these demonstrations have proven successful in the past, and we continue to do them throughout the year, and it does pay dividends.
There's a large culture of care at Schimenti, so being able to bring our trainers on site and get to work hands-on with the equipment ensures that everybody's able to get the education that they need, whether it be through explanation or whether it be hands-on.
Fall arrest is important, right? But nobody talks about what happens after the guy falls. For fall protection, we focus on the A, B, C's of fall protection, but we also like to talk about the D's and the E's. D is for descent and rescue. What happens after somebody falls? What is at your disposal? What is built into the tools that you are wearing to allow you to save yourself or to save one of your teammates? That is where the fit of a harness becomes extremely, extremely important. If this is too loose or too tight, when I hit the bottom of that fall, the force is gonna get applied to a part of my body that is not very well equipped to deal with it. I've donned my harness, I'm feeling like everything is good, I'm doing my work, and I experience a fall. As long as my wits are about me, I can immediately look to engage the chair in the air, all right? So I can grab these straps, put my fingers right in here, lift my knees up, and pull that off. But it really is that easy when your harness is fitted properly and you know what's in the gear that you're using, right? I cannot stress that enough.